Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, you'll learn two essential tips: how to turn off dark mode in Word and how to format a hanging indent, perfect for citations and bibliographies. Let's jump right in. Open Microsoft Word. Go to the File tab in the top left corner. Select Options from the bottom left menu. Under the General tab, scroll to Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. Change the Office theme from dark gray or black to white or colorful. Then click OK, and you're back in light mode. Now let's format that reference list. Type or paste your reference list or citation. Highlight the paragraphs you want to format. Go to the Home tab, then click the small arrow in the Paragraph section that is positioned at the bottom right. In the pop-up, under Indentation, find Special and choose Hanging. Set it to 0.5. Click OK. And that's it! Now you've turned off dark mode and formatted your citations perfectly with a hanging indent. Don't forget to like the video, comment below what do you want to learn next, and hit subscribe and hit the bell for more Word and Office tips. See you next time.